Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to create an Alipay account and verify it for sending and receiving payments in 2026. Now, for the sake of those that don't know what Alipay is simply a payment application that you can use to make payments to suppliers in China. And if you're someone looking to visit China, maybe on tour or business purposes, it is going to be a lot easier for you to make payments in China with an Alipay account. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an Alipay account and how to verify the account, okay? And if you're finding this channel for the first time, we upload helpful videos on importation and also we're a freight forwarding company that helps ship your cargo from China to your country. If you're interested in any of this, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. So to download an Alipay account, you can visit your Play Store or App Store if you use an iPhone and install the application from there, okay? Now, after installing the application, what you want to do is you want to create an account, okay? Now, in some cases, when you try creating an account with your phone number, you might get the access denied error, okay? So what you're going to do is instead of creating that account with your phone number, you create it with your email instead, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to switch from phone number sign up to email sign up, and you're going to use your email address to sign up, and after that it is going to bring you to a page where you're just going to need to verify that you're human, and after that an OTP is going to be sent to your email. You're going to enter that OTP, you're going to create a password, all of that, and once that is done, your account has been created, okay? Now once your account has been created, the next thing you want to do is you want to verify your identity on Alipay. It is important to verify your identity on Alipay because if you don't, you're not going to be able to make payments or send payments or receive payments with Alipay, okay? So in order to do that, what you want to do is you want to click on the account tab, and when you click on the account tab, you're going to click on the settings tab, and what you want to do is you want to locate account and security, okay? You're going to locate account and security, and you're going to locate identity information, okay? And when you get to the identity information page, what you want to do is you want to enter your country, region, you want to verify your identity, okay? It is going to request for a document type from you. Now the document type accepted from foreigners, of course, is the international passport. So you need an international passport to create a functioning Alipay account, okay? So of course, you're going to click on passport, you're going to enter your name, and you're going to enter your gender, you're going to fill in the passport details, and you're going to be required to take a picture of your passport, okay? Now you're going to take a picture of your passport, you're going to submit that. Now once your passport information has been verified, it is going to tell you that your ID has been validated but not authenticated, okay? Now you're going to be required to do another form of verification, which is the real name verification, okay? Now before doing that, you're going to be asked to create a payment password first, okay? So in order to do that, go back to the settings tab and click on payment settings, and what you want to do is you want to create a payment password, okay? Now, after creating a payment password in the payment page, you can now come back to the identity information page and start the real name identification process, okay? So you're going to click on real name identification, you're going to click on complete, and it is going to bring you to this page where it is going to tell you to verify your face, okay? So what you want to do now, you want to click on upload passport and verify face, and it is going to bring you to this page where it is going to tell you to verify your face, okay? You're going to click on verify now, and of course you want to verify your face. Now after verifying your face, it is going to also tell you to verify your identity by either verifying a Chinese mainland card, which I am assuming you don't have if you're watching this video, or you verify your passport chip. So you're going to click on the verify passport chip option, and when you click on that, it is going to bring you to this page where it is going to tell you to start verification. Now, it is important for you to note that in order to complete the passport chip verification, your phone must support NFC. Luckily, most of the Samsung phones that are being produced these days, the iPhones from iPhone X or iPhone 11 upwards, the Google Pixels, they all support NFC verification, okay? So what you want to do is you want to get your passport and you're going to place it behind your phone, okay? And if your phone supports NFC, you're going to notice a vibration and the verification is going to begin immediately, okay? Now, once that has been verified, you're going to now see that your real name verification status has been verified and the basic identity information has been completed. Now, once those has been completed, you can now start, recharging your Alipay account, sending people your Alipay code, and, receiving payment on your Alipay. So, That is how you create an Alipay account in 2026. If you found the video helpful, click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.